Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimma Tutorials Online School. Dimma Tutorials Online School is an educational channel that is meant to provide lessons on every subject and help students smash their exams in good grades. If you want to subscribe to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button in order to get notified each time a new video is uploaded here. Today, I'm going to continue our lessons on Post UTME past questions on general knowledge or current affairs. The first one I have here is from UNILAG. Now, the first one says, how many lunar months make 1 year? How many lunar months make 1 year? Okay, this is very simple. We have 12 lunar months in 1 year, okay? January, February, March to December are lunar months, okay? We have 12 lunar months in 1 year. The second one is 2/3 of a class passed English language as the subject. Now, this is the mathematical question. Even if mathematics is not one of the subjects to start in the exam in JAMB exams, okay, you shouldn't worry because mathematical questions that are found in Post UTME general paper are usually very simple and commonsensical, okay? Now, to third of a class passed English language as a subject, the number of students who failed English language will be. Now, what is to third? Okay, what is to third? It means 2 out of 3. Okay, to third means 2 out of 3. It means that something is divided into 3 and 2 out of the 3. Okay, or 2 out of 3, that's what to third means. Okay, now if to third passed English language, it means that 1/3. Okay, 1/3 failed English language. If 2 out of 3 of a class, if 2 out of 3, okay, if a class is divided into 3 places and 2 out of 3 out of the 3 places passed English language, it means that 1 out of the 3 places failed English language. Okay, so option A, 1/3 is the correct answer. Option B, half. C, 1/4. Okay, option D, 3/4. All of them are wrong. The correct answer is option A, okay, 1/3. Now let's see the next one. The place where water is found in the desert is called. The place where water is found in the desert is called. We have option A, lake, B, dam, C, deep, and D, oasis. Okay. Now the place where water is found in the desert is called oasis. Okay, it's called oasis. A lake is a large area of water that is surrounded by land. Okay, that's what a lake is, a large area of water that is surrounded by land. Now, a dam is a barrier constructed to hold back water and also raise its level. Okay, is kind of a barrier that is constructed to hold back water and raise the level of the water. Okay, which usually forms a reservoir that is used in generating electricity. Okay. Option C, diff. Diff is also not the correct answer. Diff is a computer program, so it doesn't really have anything to do with the question. So, like I said, option D, oasis, is the correct answer. Which of the following has the highest population in the world? Which of the following has the highest population in the world? We have option A, India, B, Russia, C, China, and E, USA. Now, the correct answer to this question is option A, India. Okay, India has the highest world population. Okay, followed by China, then the US. So, India is the correct answer. Now, the next question, the upper legislative arm of government in Nigeria is headed by, we have option A, Speaker, B, President, C, Leader, and D, Secretary. So, this should be a bonus question for you if you were a candidate this year. The correct answer is Speaker. Okay, the upper house, the Senate. The Senate, okay, the upper house, the upper legislative arm of the government in Nigeria is headed by a Speaker. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Now, the next question, which of the following is not mammal? Okay, which of the following is not mammal? We have option A, well, B, dog, C, cat, and D, shark. Okay, first, what is mammal? Okay, what animal is regarded as a mammal? Now, mammals are animals that give birth to their young ones and also breastfeed them. Okay, breastfeed their young ones. They are animals that their females give birth to their young ones and also breastfeed them, okay? They include rats, cats, dogs, monkeys, dolphins, whales, and even human beings, okay? They're basically animals that give birth and not lay eggs, okay? Human beings, whales, dolphins, etc. So, option D, shark, is the correct answer. Shark is a fish, is not a mammal, okay? Now, the next question we have, the name of a young lion is called, we have option A, kitten, B, Kelvin, C, cup, and D, cube is not correct. Sorry, cute is not correct. Okay, the correct answer is option C. Option C, cub. A um a young lion, a baby lion is called a cub. Okay, it's called a cub. So option C is the correct answer. Kitten is the name given to a baby cat. Okay. Kelvin is incorrect. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Now, the next question, in which part of Africa will you find Tanzania? In which part of Africa will you find Tanzania? You find Tanzania in East Africa, okay? You find Tanzania in East Africa. Examples of countries that are in East Africa include Rwanda, Ethiopia, Kenya, Botswana, Namibia, Burundi, etc. Okay, so these countries are in East Africa. So the correct answer is East Africa, option D. The next question, in computer browser address field, what does the abbreviation www stand for? www stand for, okay? In computer browser address field, what does the abbreviation www stand for? Okay, now www stand for World Wide Web. Okay, World Wide Web, and it refers to all the public websites or pages that users can access on their local laptops or computers and other devices through the internet. Okay, it means the public websites, okay, or pages that users can access on their local laptops and other devices through the internet, okay? So www means World Wide Web, okay? Now the next question, the Earth is the dash planet from the sun. The Earth is the dash planet from the sun. You guys already know this, okay? The Earth is the third planet from the sun, okay? It's the third planet. Now the next question we have, River Nile has its source from Lake Chad, option A, option B, Lake Tanganyika, option C, Lake Victoria, D, Lake Albert. Okay, now the correct answer is Lake Victoria. That's where River Nile has its source from. Now, River Nile is known as the longest river in the world. Okay, just in case you are asked this question, um, what's the name of the longest river in the world? The longest river in the world is River Nile. So that'll be all for today. I hope you did enjoy the lesson and you learned one or two things from this video. If you did, please make sure you like the video, and I beg you, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel to help it grow, because very soon I'll be having my teachers that I've employed to start uploading videos for you guys on this channel, because like I said at the beginning of the video, this channel is meant to bring lessons for you guys on every subject. Okay, it's gonna provide everything you need to smash your exams. So click on the subscribe button to join this family. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.